Hello all, hi, as you all know my name is Zuma. Today I am doing a live show. The theme is chutneys.
If you can listen, thumbs up.
If you can listen me, can you all please give me a thumbs up so that I will continue.
Yes, they can listen. You can start.
Okay, yeah, as I told, today I'll be showing around 5 to 6 types of chutneys, and as you can see, I've just displayed everything. So firstly, I'll be starting with the vegetable chutney because it needs to boil. So I'll just chop this, and then I'll be showing you gongura leaves chutney. This is instant, not the pickle, and I have mango and this chutney. So let's start. Okay. So as I told you, this is a vegetable chutney. I am taking zucchini. I'm not going to peel off the skin. I've just washed it nicely. So I'm just going to make this chutney. Actually, you can keep it for 2 to 3 days because I'm not going to add any coconut. This is just vegetable chutney, and it goes really good with idli, dosa, and hot rice. And also, my daughters, they love to eat with tortilla chips too. They put in their burrito, and they just love this chutney. Okay, and I'll be adding one green pepper. You can add any veggies. Uh, just remove the seeds. You must be seeing all my posts. I hope you like all my recipes which I post. Okay, I'm just chopping them little bit thick because not fine. Anyway, they are going to cook. So, and I'm going to blend it. You don't have to do it finely. And I'm just going to take one tomato. Okay, and few green chilies.
Deepthi, if somebody want to join Sattvic group, we are getting many requests. Can you keep a watch on that?
Chilies you can add according to your spice. These are not that spicy, so I'm just adding some of them. Okay, let's start sauteing this veggies. If you have any comments or anything, any questions, you can post in the comment section.
So, what kind of oil is
This is the regular oil,
canola?
canola oil. I'm adding all the veggies.
We are around 25 now.
Okay,
Watching.
that's nice.
Sorry.
I like adding little bit of ginger in my chutney, so I'm just adding little ginger, chop it, and fresh coriander leaves. let this cook and we'll start with other chutney.
Want to cover this or?
Yes, I will cover it. 1 second. I'm adding little salt, very little.
So that it will mix with the
Yeah,
vegetable.
the vegetables will have a little bit salt when we make chutney. We'll allow it to cook.
And to try to keep a watch on the comments. I have dosa batter going to make something from here today. It looks so nice and colorful. So how long it might take?
It might take 15 minutes, 10 minutes. We don't want it too mashy, just like because these vegetables cook really fast, so it will take 10 minutes. So let's start with the next chutney.
So what chutney I'm going to make?
I'm going to show you gongura chutney. So there are two varieties in gongura. One comes with the red stem, and one has the green one. But this one is really good for the chutney. The sourness is too good. So these are the leaves.
So someone is asking, they just joined, they want to know what vegetables you used. Can you repeat one more time? Yeah.
Sure. I used zucchini, here you can see I used zucchini with the skin, and then green peppers, little bit of green chilies, and then I have ginger, little bit of coriander, one tomato, and then that's it. And I added little oil and I'm just sauteing this.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, and these are the gongura leaves. So as I told, this comes with this red stem. Actually, this is really good. If the green one is not that sour, but this is very nice for chutney. We also make dal, papu, gongura dal with these leaves, and we also make pickle. But today I am going to show you instant chutney. These leaves are really like they have very nice health benefits. So it improves your digestive health, and it is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, C. It also has calcium, iron. So
Antioxidants.
antioxidants, it's really good. You can make dal, you can make chutney, you can make pickle. So let's start with this.
Sorted.
Okay, for this, first I'm going to fry little dry ingredients and
This is gongura chutney, right?
yeah.
Okay. It's famous in Andhra.
Yeah, it's one of the popular chutney in Andhra. So for this, I'm adding a little, for this quantity, I'll put the measurements later. I'm adding little jeera and little bit of methi seeds. Don't add too much; it'll become bitter. So, and then we are just going to add. Just a second.
What are you going to add?
Little bit of
Coriander.
coriander seeds. And we are going to fry these. I'm adding a few red chilies too. Again, it's up to your spice level. These leaves are very sour, so I'll add a little There are different types of gongura chutney. One we make with red chilies, not the dried ones. The raw red chilies. It's called Pandu Mirkailu in Telugu. So we mix.
Dry food ones,
Yeah, right. So we mix these both and make chutney. So today I'm just going to show you with the red chilies. And now you can see it's done, so I'm just going to take this out. If you have any doubts, any questions, please send them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Okay, now in the same kadai, I'm going to add these gongura leaves. They are nicely washed and I've cleaned them. Actually, I like chutneys. I grew up eating chutneys at my home. My mom used to make every day. It's like in the menu we used to have one vegetable chutney at home. So that's how I got used to all these chutneys. So when I thought of going live, so the first thing which came to my mind is let me show some chutneys.
So we'll repeat what we did. First one is
Yeah, first we'll just mix this.
So this is the first kind of chutney, is vegetable chutney, and then second one is gongura chutney. Both are in process. So you should keep mixing.
Yeah, you should keep mixing so that they don't burn. Here you can see the color is changing.
How long the gongura chutney will stay?
It will take really fast. You can
No,
see
after
all.
making, how long it can stay out?
Oh, this can stay for long. This is like I'm not going to add any water in this, so you can keep it for 1 month easily in the fridge. Yeah. And very soon I'll be showing you the other pickle version too, but that won't be live. I will give you the recipe for that. I'll be making it
What
soon.
about veg chutney? That will stay for
This
week,
can
week or
also
two?
stay for around 1 week because we won't be adding any coconut or anything. So in the fridge you can keep it for 4-5 days easily.
But this will come for long.
Yeah, this will come for long. You can see here it's changed the color. And for this chutney, don't add any water because if you want to keep it for long, don't add water while grinding too. So after it is grinded, I will show you. We are going to season it in oil. It needs a little more oil for this. Okay, so this is done. The leaves have become soft. So this is what we are looking at. I'm going to turn off the stove for this. Let's remove it. We want it to be cooled completely. So let it cool. Now we'll check on this. You can see, if you can press, you should see that it's become soft. Yeah, you can see it's soft. Now at this point you can turn the stove off and let it cool, and then we are going to blend this. Let me remove this. So this is done. Now the next one is this is another Andhra special chutney. It's called ginger allam pachadi.
Shubha, my favorite chutney. Sala auntie is there. She is also telling favorite chutney. Is it about gongura? Sarvani watching coming out good Uma.
Okay, let's start with the next chutney.
Third one, okay.
Yeah, I hope I finish it on time. Let's see. This is, as you all know, like taken ginger.
What chutney?
This is ginger chutney. It's also called as allam pachadi.
Okay.
In Andhra, and it's also very famous. It goes really. This chutney also you can keep it for around 1 month. It won't spoil. So this goes really good with idli, dosa, and hot rice with ghee. I'll just show you how to make this. So I've soaked the tamarind. The main ingredients are tamarind, ginger, and I'll be adding jaggery. So
Tomato is not part of this?
no, tomato is not part of it.
Oh, that's a different thing. Okay.
That is done.
Okay.
Yeah, and we need red chilies for spice. So I've taken tamarind. We are not going to fry any of these. So I will show you what needs to be fried.
So many are telling allam pachadi is their favorite.
Yeah.
So much.
And it's
Yeah,
also
it's
good health wise because it has ginger. It's really good. So let's start with allam pachadi. Okay, here I have heated up the kadai bandli. I'm taking little bit of oil.
Regular cooking oil.
Yeah, regular cooking oil. And and many of my friends have requested for peanut chutney, so I'll be showing that too. Here I'm going to add little bit of urad dal, very
For
little, for just
ginger
for binding.
chutney? For
Yeah,
ginger chutney. Okay.
just for binding. And then I'll be adding little bit of red chilies. Actually, you can add little more because it's tamarind.
It reduces the spice, right? Tamarind.
Yeah, tamarind is little sour, so. And this chutney and pulihora, and it goes really good with urad dal vada. They serve this with pesarattu too, moong dal, green moong dosa. So, and I remember like it always used to we used to have stock of this chutney at home. My mom used to always make this.
This is the third one, right? First
Yeah,
is
this is the
vegetable
third
chutney.
one.
Second one is gongura.
Gongura,
Chutney.
and this is the allam pachadi.
Allam pachadi. Ginger chutney.
Yes.
We
have 40 people joined, so I just wanted to repeat whatever we are doing.
Oh, nice.
And the
That's
third
nice.
one,
You can actually, if you're adding different kind of chilies, Badige or other kind, you can add more. These are the Guntur chilies.
this different flavor.
Yeah,
for
this
the
is a
chutney.
little bit spicier one, so I am not adding that many in this. And this one again with hot rice and ghee, it will taste awesome. And when you're frying red chilies, you need to add little bit of oil, otherwise it's going to give you that what you call gato. I don't know. You'll start coughing. So just add a little bit of oil when you're frying the red chilies. Now this is done. You can see the urad dal has changed a little bit of color, and then
Golden brown.
yeah, golden brown, and the red chilies are also nicely fried. I've already posted the recipe, but I wanted to show this chutney live. So this is done. I'm going to take this out in a bowl, and
You have to add ginger
yeah,
now?
to that I'll just add little bit of ginger. I've turned off the stove. That heat is good. You don't need to cook these ginger. So whenever we make urad dal vada, garalu, we used to have this chutney with that. I've turned off the stove. I'm just sauteing this in this mandis, yeah. Let's remove this.
While mixing in the jar, you will put the jaggery and tamarind.
Yes, I'll put the jaggery. I'll add the jaggery, salt, and tamarind.
So some people join now. You can just explain like whatever you did for this allam pachadi.
Allam pachadi, I've added a little bit of urad dal. I'm going to give you the exact measurements for this again. I've added urad dal, and I've added red chilies and ginger. First I've just sauteed them in the oil, and then I've turned off the stove and then added the ginger. So once this is cooled down, we'll start grinding all the chutney. Hope I'm on track.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a little hot, so I'll just wait. We'll start with this. This is cooled down.
This for which
Gongura.
chutney. Okay.
So we'll start with this first.
Okay.
We'll grind this.
We want all of you to come live and show your expertise in cooking. So we are going to post the email ID. Please tell us your convenient time when you can go live and what kind of dishes you are going to show us live. So we'll be happy to arrange that, and just wait for the email ID and more details in the Satvik Recipe Facebook page.
Yes, we would love to see different cuisines, dishes. Please do come and then do some live shows. Okay, let's.
I think we are building a very good community where we can share a lot of recipes.
Yeah, we can share recipes, and it's really good. We can learn different foods. So first I'm going to blend this into a fine powder. I'm not adding any water, you can see.
This has coriander seeds and
Coriander seeds, little bit of jeera, and I also added little methi seeds and red chilies.
okay.
Now I'll be adding salt. Actually, for this, if you add rock salt, it will taste really good. but I don't have rock salt now. I'll add little turmeric.
Turmeric needed for almost all the dishes. Indian
Right
dishes.
now, yeah, turmeric is a must. Don't forget turmeric in your dishes. Okay.
I'll go a little back. A lot of
My
sound.
blender makes a little sound.
Let me see some question. No coconut needed for ginger chutney, Uma?
No, we don't add any coconut for this. So
Yeah.
that is the reason you can save this chutney for 1 month and eat. We are not adding it.
And one more question. Is it okay if ginger is not toasted completely like dal and chili? Is it
No,
okay?
we don't need, actually, we don't toast the ginger. It's just like in that hot oil, if you just toast that is good enough. So now you can see.
It retains the flavor. of
Yeah,
it.
it retains the flavor. We don't want the flavor to go away by sauteing a lot. So you can see it's coarsely
This
grinded.
is for gongura chutney. okay?
Gongura chutney, yeah. And now I'm adding the leaves.
Fried.
I'll be showing you very soon. I'm going to make that red chilies pickle. I will be posting it very soon. I've not added any water. You can see I've not added. So the water in the leaves is good enough.
Any any question? Feel free to ask. Uma will be happy to answer.
Yeah, here you can see now the chutney is ready. Adjust the salt accordingly. I didn't add any tamarind for this because the leaves are already sour, so you don't need any tamarind. You can see this.
Chutney is ready?
Chutney is ready. Now
In that.
I'm going to add this in the seasoning. So let's do the seasoning for this. It's again the regular oil. You can add different pickle oils too. It requires a little more oil for this chutney because we are going to store it. It needs to be sauteed in oil really good.
It's like a preservative.
Yeah. I hope you all are liking all my chutneys.
Little lag. Light. I think streaming is good, right? There is no break or voice is good. Can you guys give thumbs up in the comment if you can hear properly and there is no problem in the streaming?
Deepti is telling I'm coming with chapati. You don't need to come with chapati, just come over. I have hot rice.
For saute, you are putting curry leaves.
Yes, little bit of curry leaves I'm going to add. These are the curry leaves. I got it from my friend's house.
Who?
Sarayu. Thanks
Hope
Sarayu for these.
Sarayu is online. Hope.
Yeah, I hope she's online. Okay, so now you can see I'm adding mustard. I'm not doing anything according to the measurements because I've got used to it.
Hand measurement.
Yeah, hand measurements, but I will give you the right measurements.
This is for gongura chutney. You're
This
putting-
is for gongura chutney. And I'm going to add few chilies.
This is a different kind of chili, right?
These are the round chilies. I like them. So I'm going to add
Are you going to mix it
curry
again?
leaves. Yes, I'm going to add this chutney into that and then mix it. Fry for a few minutes. You can pour it. Hing. I hope I'm not boring you guys. Okay. So once this all splutter, I'm going to add this chutney.
You're not going to grind it again, right?
No, this is already grinded. I'm going to use my hands. My hands are clean. It's easy to take this out from this jar.
Can you see some question here? Meanwhile? Anytime.
Vasudha, you can come anytime. Hot rice is ready.
Get the plants, Vasudha, when you are coming. All the plants. Any other question?
Okay. See, you can see the oil is less actually. You can add more oil for this. Do try this recipe. Gongura chutney, it's really good. You'll love it.
Kind of little sticky, right?
It is, the leaves are little sticky. We make pickle also with this. We dry the leaves in the salt and then we store it for years. Whenever we want, we can grind it. That is the pickle kind. Just saute this for just few minutes.
I can feel the smell, Gongura pickles.
You
Chutney
can,
smell.
yeah, chutney. Yes. With all these chutneys, just plain dal and hot rice and ghee. Oh my God, it's going to taste really awesome.
So first chutney is ready.
First one is ready. Let's take this into a bowl.
But small one.
I think Raghu can smell the chutney now.
Yeah. Quick, come on. We're running out of time.
Sorry. Okay, this is done. Now let's move to the different chutney. Let's grind alum chutney.
Ginger chutney.
Yes.
Thank you all people who logged in and watching this live. Thanks for your time. Hope you can learn few stuff from today's live. So this is the ginger chutney.
Yeah, ginger chutney. I have added all this in the jar. I'm adding salt. This requires a little more salt and jaggery because it's ginger.
So wait for the ingredients and the recipe post. Uma will post it.
I'm adding jaggery. I have jaggery powder, so I'm just adding this. This is like a sweet, salt, sour, so it will have everything. Let's grind it.
So second chutney is getting ready, almost. Ginger chutney. So first chutney was Gongura chutney is ready.
Only smell, Sahana? No, you can come over to eat. Please come over. Not smell, you can even taste it. Okay, I'm going to add little turmeric. Adding turmeric and I'm going to grind this.
That is our dog barking. Maybe he got a. Mamta want recording. Mamta, you want recording of me eating or what do you want recording? Actually, once this live is done, this will be stored in the Sattvic.
So for this also I'm not adding any water. I'm just adding the tamarind water which I have soaked. So this needs to be grinded a little more. So I'll just add this, then it will grind easily.
Shubha, she's asking, can we have a glimpse of your pet? Seems excited with the cooking.
He loves my cooking too.
Let me show the hero. His name is Hero.
Hero, come here. Hero.
Hero. Hero. Squirrel, 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 squirrel. Where is squirrel? Squirrel. Speak. Squirrel. He's saving our house. Like all the squirrels are scared of him. So he's saving us from squirrels.
Okay, here you can see I've added tamarind. Tamarind, I'll send you the post the exact measurements. I'm just doing it approximately.
Deepa Kulkarni, I want measurements of all the ingredients.
Sure. I'll post all the measurements. Many have asked me for roti recipe too. Live.
You will show roti?
Yeah, I'm
What
going
the-
to show you roti too. Okay. Here you
I think
can
we are running out
see.
of time. Have to do quickly.
You can see the chutney is done. I'm just going to remove it. We are going to add seasoning for this later.
I know, Vasudha, you're talking about me. I'm just telling the hero name. Never knew you could mix it with chutney. It is awesome. Can't wait to try ginger chutney. Inshallah. Next.
Okay, next the vegetables have cooled down. We'll grind that too.
Sorry.
And then do the seasoning for everything.
So
at
once again, can you quickly tell? Okay, yeah, these are vegetables: zucchini,
Yeah, zucchini,
capsicum,
and then
green
I
chilies,
have green
tomatoes,
chilies,
ginger,
ginger.
coriander. Okay,
Yeah.
quick. So Mamta is making akki roti for all these chutneys. Can you send akki roti, Mamta?
Okay, I'm adding turmeric and then salt. I just added little bit for the veggies. So now I'm not adding any jaggery.
Water, anything? Okay.
No water.
Tamarind?
No tamarind. Sorry, I'll add tamarind, but I'm not adding any jaggery for this.
See, I reminded you.
Yeah, I added very little because I added tomato. So
Swati is telling, don't rush. Swati, I'm hungry. Swati, that's why.
Vasudha, you've already tasted this chutney. If you remember, I got it to your house.
Hero. Doggy, 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 doggy. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? There's a dog, dog, Hero. Huh? There's a dog. Dog, dog, dog. Where's the dog?
The
Ready?
chutney is done. You can see the color. It looks so good.
Yeah, green chutney.
Yeah.
Hope you all like the taste of this.
Yeah, do try this. It's really good. Some of my friends have already tasted this. And this is the best way to make your kids eat vegetables. I started making this because my elder daughter, she don't eat all the veggies, especially green peppers. So I started adding them in the chutney, and now she asks for this chutney, and she loves it so much.
If they see the vegetable shape, they won't eat. If you grind it, they'll eat. They like the taste. Next one.
Yeah, next I'm going to make
This is the third chutney ready, right?
the third one is ready.
You will
So
put it in that.
I will put it.
Next one.
Next one I'm going to do coconut mango chutney. This one I'm making it for Dipti. She requested one chutney to show for Chaturmasa. So I'm not going to add any red chilies. You can see the process.
So this is the third one or fourth one?
This is the fourth one.
Fourth one, okay. First one was vegetable chutney. Second one was gongura chutney.
Yeah.
Third one was ginger chutney. And fourth one is coconut mango. This is the raw mango.
Raw mango, and this is the coconut, and this is for the, you can use this for the vrata chaturmasa. So for this,
Oil.
just adding oil. This was my last minute addition. I didn't have plans to do this. Okay, and I'm adding little jeera. And for spice, they don't use red chilies during this time, so they add peppers for spice. So I'm adding pepper. I'm going to saute this. Actually, I'm making even yellow moong chutney. Let's see if I can finish all the chutneys.
They're already made.
If you guys are okay, I can continue the chutneys. I have two more to show.
Give us the feedback.
Yeah, give
Or-
us a thumbs up or a feedback. Now I'm going to add this mango, grated mango, raw mango. Just saute for a few minutes so that the rawness is gone. And this is done. I'm not going to cook it soft. It's just to so that the water in the mango just goes away. That's it. Just saute them. And now I'm going to switch up the flame and add this coconut. And that's it. For this, no other spice, nothing. I'm just going to add salt and this is done. Raghu, stop rushing the chef. Vasudha is telling. I hope everybody is liking all the chutneys. Okay, for this is done. For the spice, we have added.
It has very less ingredients, right?
Yeah, very less.
Only maybe 3 or 4.
Because they don't use red chilies, and I think Dipti is already mentioned all the ingredients. So we don't use all that in this season.
It has mango, coconut,
jeera,
Pepper.
and peppercorns.
then oil.
Yes. And going to grind this.
Salt.
Salt I'm going to add. This is mango, so I'm not adding any sourness. This is the quickest chutney. You can make it in 5-10 minutes. Add little water if you want.
Shubha Tirthalish, her favorite mango chutney it seems. Is the
For the regular this chutney, you can add red chilies. The same process as we did for ginger chutney. You can add red chilies in the seasoning, and then you can add all the
that is not
season.
Chaturmasa
Yeah.
version. Okay.
This is not the Chaturmasa version, but this is for the Chaturmasa.
Is the seasonings dampling same for all chutneys?
Almost same, but for this one ginger chutney, I don't add hing because it has ginger, so I don't add hing. And for pudina chutney also, I don't add hing because if you add, that will empower the smell. So
Vasudha is asking, are you making peanut chutney also?
yes, my friends requested for peanut, so this is done.
Who?
Jinal and
They are on that?
yeah, I think they are online. I'm sure.
So this is ready, right?
Yeah, that is ready.
Mango chutney is ready.
The mango chutney
Ginger
is
chutney is
ready.
ready.
And the gandura is ready. And I want to show you
Where is
what-
vegetable chutney?
this one.
Okay.
I want to show you these two chutneys. If you guys are okay. This is yellow moong dal,
Last but one. Okay.
and then this is peanut. I'll just show you this chutney really quick. It doesn't
won't take much
that
time.
long.
Why hing is not added? Because of
Because ginger is so strong,
You don't
The
need that
You
smell.
don't need
Yeah.
the hing for that.
Ginger smell is strong, it seems. So hing smell, ginger overtakes. So you don't need. But you can, if you want, you can add also. It's okay.
Okay, now I'm going to show you quick yellow moong chutney. This is called pesar pachadi in Telugu. We add mango to this chutney too, or we add lemon. So today I'll show you the lemon version because mango I already added here.
Almost there. Last but one. So this is
Yeah.
a quick chutney. It won't take much time, I guess.
This is my favorite chutney. I love eating this with rice.
It has little raw smell, right? That's
Yeah,
what
because I'm not going to fry the moong dal.
Yeah.
Moong dal is not fried, so you will feel the rawness of the moong dal. Adding red chilies, and for this I will add hing.
And then you have to make roti also, right?
Yes, that will be really quick. Okay, adding curry
Wash-
leaves.
I like this sound. Butter sound.
Yeah, and this is done. Now let's grind the chutney.
That's it. You just have to.
That is really quick. We have to soak the moong dal.
Soaking is the only time it takes.
Yeah, soaking, you can soak the moong dal for around 30 minutes to 1 hour. That's it. And for this,
So
will
what do
be
you
adding
eat with this
rice.
chutney?
You can eat with rice. You can, yeah, it goes really, it blends with rice, hot rice.
You're taking only chilies now?
Yes, I'm taking just the chilies and turmeric, and I'll be adding soaked moong dal for this. This is the fastest chutney. We prepare this usually in the night time because moong is easy digestible. So we just make this chutney with plain rasam and rice. That's it. We don't have any other side dishes. And for this, I'm adding little salt.
If anyone is busy, you can always watch this recording in the Facebook page.
Yeah. See, it's done. Less than 10 minutes, I think.
So now last chutney is peanut chutney is pinning.
Yeah, requested chutney. So this need not be grinded very soft. It should be a little coarse.
National. Moong dal chutney, gongura chutney, mango. Sorry, this is ginger chutney, gongura, vegetable. Now this will be peanut chutney. Sixth one. Okay.
For that, I told you, right, I'll be adding lemon for sourness.
This is for which chutney?
Moong dal.
Moong dal chutney.
Yes.
You're adding lemon. Okay.
Deepthi, this can also be made for chaturmasa. If you can skip the red chilies
Replace
and the
with-
lemon, replace with mango powder or mango. This version also has another version, like they do it with mango moong dal. So you can add green pepper, peppercorns for spice. one.
First time here this moong dal chutney. Wanna try this? What is studying?
This is called as Pesara Pachadi in Andhra, very famous. One of the old traditional chutney. And last chutney is peanuts. I'm going to air fry them.
So after peanut chutney, you're going to show one more item, right? Chutney.
Yes. Sorry guys, bear with me. I'm running a little late. I hope it's fine.
So air fry it'll be quicker than
Air fry is little
Bandit fry.
quicker. Peanuts.
Can you quickly tell me what are the chutneys?
Sure. This is Gongura chutney and this is coconut and mango chutney. This is vegetable chutney. This is allam pachadi ginger chutney, and this is yellow moong dal chutney, and
With lemon.
with lemon, yeah. And this is I'm going to make peanut chutney.
So for peanut, you're using
I'm going to use. You can make either with red chilies or with green chilies. It again depends.
what try that red chili?
No, that one I'll
Okay.
make
you
a
need-
pickle. So you can see I'm adding.
It's already washed.
It's already washed. Yes. I'm not using any knife. Sorry. I'm just breaking them. These are not spicy, so that's the reason I'm adding a lot. And I'm going to add little bit of ginger.
I think that peanut is done.
Guys, this is peanut chutney. Many have requested for this.
This will go good with
Idli, dosa.
idli, dosa, rice, or whatever. Roti.
Yes. The peanuts are done.
Any chutney can be used for with anything, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
And little bit of tamarind. Salt. For all my coconut idli, dosa, chutney, I like adding little curry leaves in my chutney.
Little bit butter.
Needs more water. I hope you all are liking the chutney session.
So Hannah asking, can we use the roasted peanuts from Costco?
Yes, you can, but reduce. Check the salt when you're
Yeah,
adding.
unsalted one.
Yeah, you can use.
I don't know.
But when you use the Costco, I've always observed the Costco peanuts. When you make the chutney, you'll have a little bit of stickiness in the chutney.
It's like peanut butter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Better to use Indian version for authentic taste.
When it's hard for blending, you can add water accordingly, so that it will be easy for blending.
Indian style using hand.
You can always request for any recipes. I'll be happy to come live and show you guys.
Or even Deepthi or anyone can come on the show.
Anything. Whatever I know, I'll be happy to share. And also, I would love to see others coming live. I want to learn other cuisine recipes too. Okay, everyone who's requested for peanut chutney, this is how we make peanut chutney. I don't add coconut for this. You can add if you want.
Okay, now all chutneys are done. Now last part, we're going to make roti. Many of you wanted to know how to make roti. It's very quick, right? It won't take much
It
time.
won't take much time.
So this for the roti you are making.
Yeah, this is for the roti.
So we're going to make a quick vegetable roti. We already have this cut vegetables.
I
ready.
have chopped one yellow pepper, one orange pepper and one green pepper. So I'm blending green chili and ginger into a coarse paste. You can add little water.
You want to take that vegetable outside?
Yeah. Here I'll show you. Just give me, just take this out.
Akki roti is home today. Suman, Ganesh. So all are making akki roti. Mamta, Suman, everybody is making akki roti today, including you. So you want to go?
Okay, so here I'm going to add these. For everyone who's requested how to make roti,
What about outside?
yeah, and today I'm going to use
Celery.
salad leaves from my garden, and then I'm going to add that to this.
We'll have a quick tour of my garden. You want to take some plate?
No, I'll just. I have different kinds of lettuce, so I'm just going to pick some and add them in the roti.
We have little batani,
Peas.
peas plant, cucumber, zucchini. I just put it in the wall. Deer came and ate all my plant.
Yeah, we forgot to close our.
We forgot to close our door here, so it jumped over the other fence and ate even tomato plants also. This is a small garden. Methi leaves. I want to show the eggplant.
You can add any greens for roti. I'm adding these leaves.
From garden to kitchen.
Yes. I'm adding coriander leaves. And then the grinded green chili and ginger paste. So many yummy chutneys, Uma, my mouth is watering. Parinika. I'm adding salt.
What knife is that? Is it from IKEA? What is the knife?
I think IKEA.
IKEA knife. Where is the knife? Ah, it's there. I think so. IKEA, we don't remember. Oh, there is a name here. Oh, IKEA only.
Okay, I've added salt. You can add any veggies, carrot, leaves, greens, and you can add rice flour, ragi. You can make with ragi, or you can mix ragi and rice.
Combination.
Or combination. You can add other flours too, bajra. Or you can try with other ones. Sorry, I'll just use a. This is rice flour, what I'm using. This is the akki roti. It's called akki roti. When you're mixing, just see the consistency, like the flour shouldn't be too much. You need to see all the veggies too.
Megha is also watching, Mamta. Megha is asking what knife.
I'm going to add jeera, little bit jeera in this. Adding water. That's it.
Salt already, right?
Salt I added.
The
Mix.
consistency is important, right? It should be.
Yeah,
like a
you
dough-
can
dough
see
consistency.
it shouldn't be in a flowy consistency. It should be thick.
Not too thick. Megha, Pooja, all are watching. Oh, Mamta is asking which chutney I choose out of all this.
Mamta make all chutneys.
I like vegetable chutney and coconut chutney. Other chutneys also I like, but those two are my favorite. You can add carrot and actually any
Yeah, you
vegetables.
can add any veggies. You can add sprouts too. You've already seen my post.
Yeah,
I
sprouts
made
is very
sprouts
healthy.
roti. You can add seeds. You can add soaked moong or avocado. That's also very popular. So this is the dough we are looking for. It should be like this.
We are over 1 hour now.
I'm sorry.
1 hour 10 minutes.
I'm done. Just adding little oil on top. Actually, before marriage, I didn't even know about roti. I didn't know how to make roti actually. This whole process I learned from my mother-in-law.
I hope she's watching.
Yeah. Ataya, thank you so much for teaching me this recipe.
My sister-in-law is watching. I can see her. Mostly Amma is also watching.
And she taught me the easy kind of making roti. I don't use any paper or anything.
I think we already reached 1,000 subscriber. I think for this Satvik. Mostly,
That's
yeah.
really good. I need to make a sweet for that.
Yeah. All please post some sweets in the Satvik group to
So
celebrate.
I have applied oil to the tawa And then I'm going to take this. You can see it's all colorful. Just put it on the tawa and use your fingers. Tap it. That's it. Keep on tapping and spread the roti. You can do it slow. You don't have to do this fast.
Because you're running.
I'm running out of time, so I'm just rushing. That's it. So you can spread as thin as you can. That's it.
The taste changes depending on thickness of the.
I'm just making hole so that all this will become crispy. And add little oil because it already has oil at the bottom. And we are going to fry this.
Is it on? Okay, this is the last one. We are almost done. Just hang on for a few more minutes.
Just 5 minutes and it will be done. In the meantime, I'm going to do seasoning.
You have to close the lid.
Yeah, cover a lid on top.
It will be nicely roasted.
We're going to season for all the chutneys. I hope whoever has requested for roti recipe,
Yeah.
you all will try making it at home.
Many of us already know, but some of them.
Yeah,
They
I
don't know
got
that.
a request when I posted the roti. I got a request from so many. They asked me to show how to make roti. Okay, this one I'm doing seasoning for all my chutneys. I'm adding mustard. Mustard and jeera is a must for seasoning in South India.
We took more oil so that we are.
So that I can cover all the chutneys. Yeah. Adding few red
We
chilies.
have cut coriander.
Yes, I have. I'm almost done.
Just hang on 2 more minutes. We're done.
Yeah. Sorry, I think I got delayed a little bit.
The roti is almost ready, right?
Almost ready. So I hope you all have made some dosa batter, haki roti.
Please post whoever makes chutney. Please post
Yeah,
it in
please
Satvik.
do post. I would love to see all the chutneys. I hope you all liked all the recipes, chutney recipes. You can request for any other chutney recipes I can show you.
Just maybe you can tag it as a Satvik recipe chutneys, something like that, so that we can see who are all posted. Satvik recipe chutney should be good.
So this is done. And just let's put
So roti is making some noise.
you'll know when the roti is done, this all will become red. So that's when you'll know you need to
Corner?
flip it.
On top
Yeah,
of-
on top and corner. With few more minutes and it will be done. Okay, here are all the chutneys. So I've already seasoned this. This is for the chaturmasa. I'm not going to season that. This is peanut. and this is vegetable chutney. This is ginger chutney. Sorry, I'm getting confused now.
This is gongura.
Yeah.
This is ginger. This is lemon and
This is yellow
moong
moong,
dal.
and this is
This is coconut chutney.
coconut and mango.
This is peanut, right?
This is peanut. Here.
You can put for the veggies bigger.
So ginger chutney. I'll see if I can make urad dal vada today to match with this ginger chutney. I'll be posting it if I make. Okay, the roti is almost done. You can see. It comes out very clean. It will not stick to your pan. You can see. Flip it over. It's so colorful. And this is the best way to make your kids eat roti. You can put all the greens, all the veggies in this too. And it's done. I'll just plate it. I'm turning off. This heat is enough for it to roast on the other side. This is the mango and
Moong dal.
coconut chutney.
Mango chip, coconut, okay.
And this is peanut chutney.
Quick.
And I have
Moong dal, lemon.
lemon and moong dal. I didn't mix after I added lemon. So this is the ginger chutney.
If anyone near New Jersey Edison, please stop by. We have a lot of chutneys available.
I just
To go.
kept 5 cups. I thought I'll be making only 5 chutneys. This is the gongura. I need one more cup now.
Middle name. Why two? Okay, matching.
Just to match. And this is done. Mixed vegetable chutney. I'm not plating it that good because
Running out of time.
my videographer is rushing me. And the roti. I hope you all like this chutney session. So these are all the chutneys.
Quickly tell one by one. Yeah.
This is coconut and mango chutney, chaturmasa chutney, and this is the peanut chutney, vegetable chutney. This is the gongura and tamarind ginger chutney, and this is the yellow moong dal and lemon chutney, and mixed vegetable roti with all the greens. I hope you all liked it. Let me know.
Last few words.
Yeah, I hope you all like the chutneys. Please do try all this at home and post the chutneys. Thank you all for joining Satvik Recipes.
Keep posting.
Would love to see more posts from all of you, and I want to see different recipes too from your traditional homemade recipes, since all the festivals are coming around. So would love to see your traditional home recipes which your moms make. Would love to try them out.
It'll help next generation.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you all for joining for today's live
If you
session.
want to go live,
Yeah, if you want to go live, please do send us a message or
we'll post the email ID.
post the email ID, and you would we can.
We'll
you can
post
do a
email
live-
ID. They can.
You can do a live session. So this is all about chutneys today. Thank you all for joining. Thank you. You want to see Raghu? I'll show you.
Hi, thank you so much for joining today. Yeah, looking forward to see more live sessions and more recipes in the Satvik group. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Say bye.
Bye.